you wake up in the morning with just enough time to jump in the shower, brush your teeth and head out the door, with having breakfast the last thought on your mind? Or what if I was to tell you that this could be the reason that you've stopped making gains? Well, not exactly, but it could be a limiting factor. I used to skip breakfast and actually still do if I'm looking to stay lean. However, if I'm looking to put on muscle, I eat as soon as I wake up. Well, maybe not that soon, but you get the idea. Today, I'm going to show you 3 high-calorie, low-volume breakfasts that take less than 5 minutes to make and even less time to eat. Breakfast number 1, the muesli bowl. Pour 150 grams of muesli into a bowl. Add your fruit of choice. I like bananas and blueberries. Top with a dash of liquid peanut butter and finish off with some soy milk. And this meal comes in at 847 calories and 31 grams of protein. Now I know granola seems to get all the bulking credit of cereal of choice. However, I was in Waitrose the other day and yes, I do shop in Waitrose, and I come across this bad boy, Jordan's Natural Muesli. So this muesli is just natural ingredients. It's made of whole grain cereals, barley flakes, dried fruit and nuts. Now a 100 gram bowl is 366 calories and 10 grams of protein, and a 100 gram bowl is quite pitiful. So here I have a 150 gram bowl, which is 549 calories before you add your fruit and your peanut butter and milk. Now if you've been watching my other videos, you know that this peanut butter is my new best friend. This is liquid peanut butter and it's 100% roasted peanuts, and once again you get it from Waitrose. This meal literally takes like 20 seconds to make and it is delicious, and I've been having it every single morning. Honestly, this is so good. You can even eat it when you're not hungry, which is a great thing to have when you're bulking. And I even have it in the evening sometimes as a pudding for extra calories. Second breakfast today is going to be a super green smoothie. For my smoothie, I add 50 grams of oats, a handful of spinach, 3 bananas, 20 grams of chia and flax seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, a scoop of vanilla protein powder, and about 300 milliliters of milk. And this comes to 884 calories and 57 grams of protein. If you're someone who really struggles to gain weight and you haven't been drinking smoothies, what are you doing? Drinking smoothies is not only the easiest way to get down calories, it's a great way to get in a bunch of healthy stuff too. You honestly can't taste like spinach and kale if you put them into your smoothies, and even put vegetables like peas and carrots and you can't even taste them either, so it's a great way to get vegetables in if you're someone who doesn't like eating vegetables. The recipe I've given is very simple, banana and vanilla. However, there's lots of room to make it taste however you want or change it so you have different flavors every day. And also if you're super busy in the morning, you can make it the night before and just grab it out of the fridge and even take it with you. And our third and final meal is going to be a sophisticated scrambled tofu and avocado. Well, it could be, but that does take a little bit of cooking and we haven't really got time for that. So our third meal is going to be a tofu and avocado sarnie. So now I guess I'm going to talk you through how to make a sandwich. So grab your bread of choice. I like to use wholemeal bread, dollop on some hummus, then some tofu, followed by some avocado, followed by some more tofu, then the secret ingredient, sriracha sauce, and your final piece of bread. This comes in at 538 calories and 25 grams of protein. What's that? Only 500 calories for breakfast? Don't forget we're bulking, so we're going to need 2 sandwiches, making it 1,076 calories and 50 grams of protein. I think sandwiches are one of the perfect bulking foods. You can make them super high calorie, pack them to the gills with all your favourite foods, and if you're in a rush you can just take them with you. I've actually been having the 3 breakfasts you've seen here today pretty much every single day. I'll wake up, I'll have my big bowl of muesli, then a little while after I'll have a smoothie, and then I'll usually make 2 sandwiches and take them on the road with me. Those 3 breakfasts alone will bring me to roughly around 2,807 calories, which is over halfway to my goal of 4,500 calories. Bonus hack, every time you're a bit thirsty, don't drink water, drink orange juice, drink milk, drink apple juice, anything you like. You're gonna get roughly an extra 100 calories every time you have a drink. Also, another tip is to avoid drinking coffee when you're bulking. Coffee is a stimulant and therefore an appetite suppressant. So if you're someone who struggles to eat in the morning, having a coffee is not a good idea. If you're gonna drink coffee, at least make sure to have a large breakfast beforehand. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you found it useful. Drop in the comments below your favorite bulking foods, or just say hi. It really helps out the algorithm and I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.